Okay, assalamu alaikum guys once more. This is Abdi Muhammad Noor who will be taking for you math of still high school. That is a revelation rules are what you are actually doing still. Remember our topic of discussion will be today questions based on rule number 5. Rule number 5 of revelation. I think you can remember rule number 5. That was what? The line x is equal to plus or minus b, where b is a point of revelation. So this is very easy. It has got a formula. I'll show you the formula for your information. So questions based on rule number 5. Don't forget we said rule number 5 was the line x is equal to plus or minus b, where b is a point of revelation. You'll be given. Don't worry. So now can't you see now that I'm giving you an easy way of learning mathematics, honestly. And I know majority of the teachers in school don't teach transformations for your information, and that's what you know. You are my witness, I'm sure. So questions based on rule number 5 of revelation. Rule number 5 was what? X is equal to plus or minus b, where that b is a point of revelation. You'll be told revelate onto x is equal to -4, x is equal to +3. So what are you going to do? Yeah, what will be our procedure then? That's the question. So this is very easy. Before I go to the examples, let me brief you. If you have, assume you have point A, let's say this is point A, which is 3, 6. You are told reflect this point from the rule. Remember our rule is, it is there, this one. When you go back to our rules of revelation, point A is 3, 6. You are told reflect to the line x is equal to, let's say, x is equal to 4. So this is what we normally call B. This is the point of revelation. So you write on top of that B. Then we know that in every point given, we have two coordinates inside. The first coordinate is for x and the second coordinate is for y, for your information. That is for one concept. In every point we have, inside there we have coordinates. The first coordinate is for x and the second coordinate within the bracket is for y. So you will come here and write here x, y. And on top of this point of revelation, b. Then this is the formula of getting the image point. 2b minus x comma y. This is the formula we'll be using. What does it mean? 2 times the value of the point of revelation minus the x coordinate of the point given, comma y. So that means y will never be a vector. Just understand. Y will not change. It's only x that's changing. So you're going to say 2 times the point of revelation minus the x coordinate of the point given, comma y coordinate. I think that's the easiest way of solving. Can't you see now? This is a very, very, very easy formula, by the way. 2b minus x coordinate of the point given, comma y. That means y will never be vector. You see now, it's only x. So you're going to say 2 times point of, in this situation you could have said, for us to get this, let's say this is A. Our A is what? 3, 6. Okay? A prime will be, open the bracket, you're going to say 2 times B, 8. 2 times so is what? 8. 8 minus the x coordinate. 8 minus 3 is what? 5, comma 6. Very easy. Do you know multiplication? That's what's under question mark. Do you know how to multiply 2 digits? That's what's under question mark, guys. Secondary mathematics is very, very easy compared to primary, honestly. Secondary mathematics is a matter of understanding, digesting, calculating, doing research. Very easy. And I will also try my best that I will be teaching you all concepts that will come in KCSE. The way they frame, you see now, how they will tackle you during examination. You see now, of course, yes, how to understand the nature of the question. So this is very easy. It is 2b, 2 times the point, they say reflect onto. 2 times now in this situation 4 minus the x coordinate of the point given, comma y. Y will not change. You see? So now let's take a good example so you understand better. Let's take clear examples so you understand better. But that is the formula of getting the image point of a point reflected onto the line x is equal to blah blah for your information. So now let's see the first example here. We have example 1. In our class, we don't discuss this one today. In our next class, we are going to discuss y is equal to plus or minus b. Don't forget the last rule of revelation. Okay, you are told the coordinates. The coordinates of the vertex of the letter V. Letter V are, you have A 8, 4, we have also B as 9, 2. Then we have and C, we have C as 10, 4. So you're told, full stop, if the letter, you're told if the letter is reflected in the line x is equal to minus 2 followed by reflection in the line y is equal to x, determine question A. Determine question A, the coordinates of the first image. Then we have question B, the coordinates of the final image. So why were we asked two questions? Because you're told reflect until in the line x is equal to negative 2 followed by. So we'll have our prime this time. I'll make you understand this thing, don't worry. So in examination, you're going to plot and come up with a figure. Now in this situation, letter V. But before you plot, question of revelation will only take 2 or 1 minute, 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes. It's very clear by the way, so far you know the rules. So now you are told the coordinates of the vertex of the letter V are A 8, 4, B 9, 2, and C 10, 4. If the letter is reflected in the line x is equal to negative 2. So this is the point of reflection. Followed by another reflection is done. Followed by a reflection in the line y is equal to x, of which you have learned rule number 3. They will all interchange position to get the double prime. Don't forget it. So let's come here and say solution. I know this is the formula I'll be using. Look here. This is my formula. 2b minus x, y. Don't forget that. So let me take point A. I have A, the object of A, as 8, 4. Okay? Do you know what I'm going to do? Okay, I have also, don't forget, you have also somewhere right here, somewhere here, you have your B as what? You have, I'll wrap, there's no problem, let me write here. B is what? Negative 2. But the formula is what? I want to get A prime. Okay? What will only change is what? X coordinate. Right here, X, here, Y. And this is B, negative 2. We know that B is equal to negative 2. So I will say 2 times negative 2 because we have 2b here. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. Negative 4 minus x value, minus 8. So negative 4, look here, negative 4 minus 8 will be what? Negative 12. So I write here negative 12, comma, then y will not change, 4. Close. What have I said? 2p minus x coordinate of the point given, comma y. So I will say my b is what? Negative 2. So I will say 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. Negative 4 minus 8. Minus 4 minus 8 minus 12. That's formal work. So minus 12 comma 4. Let me proceed to B. B I have B 9 2. 9 comma 2. Then for me to get B prime, it will be, remember still I have my x as negative 2. My B point of revelation as negative 2. B is equal to negative 2. So I will say 2 times negative 2 is what? Negative 4. Negative 4 minus 9. Negative 4, look here please. Negative 4 minus 9, it will be what? Negative 13. So I'll write negative 13 comma, then this will not change, 2. Okay, let me go to C. Then C I have 10 4. C is what? 10 4. 10 comma 4. So I want to get my C prime. Then C prime will be, you will use the same procedure. You're going to say 2p minus, you're going to say our b is what? Our b is negative 2, still don't forget. So we say 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. Negative 4 minus 10. Negative 4 minus 10, that is negative 14. So I'll write negative 14 comma 4, close the bracket again. So I'm done with this one. Using this formula, I'm done. Remember, we are reflecting onto the line x is equal to negative 2. You see now, this is the formula you'll be using. In every point given, write x and y. So the formula is 2b minus the x coordinate of the point, comma y. Y will not change. So this is the first image. Already I've gotten the coordinates of the first image. It's there. So there's one requirement here again. There's one requirement that you're supposed to do, my friends. Okay? There's one requirement. When you come up with this image points, this is what you're going to do. We know that this x and y, is it? So we know that x is 1 here, 2, 3. That's enough. 1, 2, 3. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. So you have to reflect onto the line. X is what? X negative 2. So you take a ruler, draw a straight line here which passes through negative 2. Okay? You must draw. It's must. So you're going to write here x is equal to negative 2. Write the equation there. You can write this one everywhere. You can even write here x is equal to negative 2. Okay? X is what? Negative 2. So drawing this line is must. Otherwise you'll be penalized. So x negative 2. So this is, after you plot this one and this one, then you draw this line. Very easy. You're done. Can you imagine how it's very easy? Okay? Then we are told, after knowing that, we are told again, look here, we are told that followed by means you'll have down prime. And we are reflecting this one into another line. Followed by, we are reflecting this image into another line. So they are saying, followed by a reflection in the line y is equal to x. My goodness, this is rule number 3. So y is equal to x, you remember. So I will have a double prime. What will happen? Y is equal to x. The two coordinates will interchange, but there's no change in sign. So these two will interchange. So it will be 4, negative 12. Then b prime, likewise, it will be 2, comma, negative 13. Then c double prime will be 4, comma, look here. It will be 4, comma, negative 14. Again here, you must draw the line y is equal to x. Remember we said that the line y is equal to x passes through the first quadrant and the third quadrant for your information. This is where it's going to pass. This is what you normally call line y. Then right on top of that, y is equal to x. I say that when this is y axis and this x axis, this is formula. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. The line y is equal to x passes through the first quadrant and the third quadrant. So take your ruler and draw. Then right on top of that, y is equal to x. If you don't do that again, you'll be penalized. Because this is the line of revelation, then you must draw in case you see already next time. So this is how you're going to answer question based on this rule number 5, plus another ingredient called followed by. You see now, followed by means you will have double prime. Then again followed by, if you are told again followed by, that's third prime, a third prime. Then use the principle. So it's very easy, can't you see now? Well, I don't know why teachers are saying transformation is hard, or even they don't teach at school level. Why? Don't know why. Guys, this is very easy. I am sure if you follow my rules, you will enjoy when you're doing KCSE. Follow. See? Use the formula. X is equal to blah blah. When you're told, use that formula. The line Y is equal to X. Exchange for them the position and make sure you draw the line. Guys, can't you see how mathematics is very easy? I wish you the best. And in our next class, we are going to discuss about equation based on rule number 6, which was Y is equal to plus or minus B, where B is a point of reflection, God willing. Otherwise, have a nice day, and make sure you subscribe our YouTube channel. It's an academic channel. It's not one which is based on comic issues. My friends, it will help you in life, I'm sure. And make sure you also say, you help me with a like, and also comment also. As well as if you have problem, make sure you send your problem via our YouTube channel, AMA. The number 0716014642. Otherwise, I wish you the best.